The financial markets are driven by fear and greed. And through this fear and greed, these powerful emotions, it creates momentum. And that's what this indicator or this video is all about. It's about the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator. In this video, I will explain how to trade and work with the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator. I will also be sharing the trading rules that you want to follow if you want to get consistent results with this very useful indicator. Of course, before we go on any further in this video, please hit the subscribe button to get more videos and indicators like this. And once you hit the subscribe button, do remember to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we have a new video out. Now, when you install the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator correctly, this is how you will see, or this is how the indicator will look like. It is a very simple indicator, but it is very effective. It draws all the crucial breakout points for you, and even tells you if a forex pair is trending upwards, downwards, or sideways. So a little bit about this strategy. It is this indicator is, like the name suggests, is a breakout from the box strategy. Doesn't take a genius to figure that out. When we talk about breakout box indicator, it is like, just imagine, the price is trapped in a box and we are just waiting for it to break out, like breaking out from jail. And once it breaks out from either the support or resistance level, we do expect the price, the momentum, to carry the price in the direction that's supposed to go. Of course, as mentioned, once the box breaks out, or once the price breaks out from the box, we expect momentum to carry the price further into the direction that we anticipate. As I've explained earlier, the financial market is very much driven by sentiment, fear and greed. And when fear or greed catches rhythm, sometimes it's really hard to stop this momentum. And of course, at the same time, this is a trend strategy. We will always want to trade with the trend and move with the trend. Of course, not the fashion trend, but price trend. And what I really like about this strategy is it comes with tight stops. Of course, ultimately you have to decide what kind of stop levels you like, but this strategy comes with tight stops. Not this kind of tight, yeah, although this looks tight, but I don't really like this kind of tight. I'm sure you don't. Maybe this kind of tight. Anyway, jokes aside, it comes with tight stops so that every trade we have minimal risk exposed. Okay, so in summary, the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator allows you to trade with trends, and it's a very useful, simple momentum strategy. The idea of this is to get in, get out fast once a breakout happens, and we want to ride the trend like riding a horse. Okay, enough of that introduction. Now let's talk about how to use the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator. There are basically just 3 steps in using the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator. Step number one is to basically come and take a look at this top left indication. If you see a minus here, it just shows you how strong the momentum is. Minus means it's only for short position that you should consider. And once you've known that this is in the downtrend, step two is now to place you see the box here? Step two is now to place a sell stop order right here at the edge of the box. And if it breaks below this box, this is the only time we want to get into position. And step three is to determine the stop loss level. And here you can actually look at the color codes. One is you can look at stop loss level 1, and another one, the brown code, is stop loss level 2. If you decide to choose stop loss level 2, then you should also apply the take profit as the same range here. Okay. Now this is a long entry example. So in this example, we have USD CAD on a H4 time frame, and if it's on 33% trending, it just means that this is on an uptrend. And if it's on the uptrend, next level is to set a buy stop right at the edge of the box on the top side, and after that select the stop loss level. And once that's done, well, just apply the same range to the take profit target, so that you always aim for 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, this is a short entry example. In this example, we have Euro USD on a H4 time frame, and you can see this is on a -47 trending, which means it is on a downtrend. Once on a downtrend, naturally it means we'll consider putting sell stop orders right at the bottom of this box. And once you set the sell stop, next is to set the stop loss level 1 or choose stop loss level 2. If you have chosen stop loss level 2, then you want to set the range as in this example it is about 40 pips, so you want to set the take profit as 40 pips. So again, the idea is to always trade on a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Of course, there was the third scenario, which is a ranging market. Now if there's a ranging market, then of course it is best to just stay out and look for the next trending market, whether it's up or down. So the recommended time frame for the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator, like all indicators, actually the higher the time frame, you will achieve more consistency, bigger profit, less trades, and over time, less work. This is what I always recommend that you use, which is a H4 and above, really, for better consistency, better sanity. If you must trade lower time frame, sure, but trade on the H1 as the lowest time frame if you really must trade lower time frames. Okay, more trades, remember, more trades does not translate to higher profit. That's contrary to the common belief by most beginning traders. In fact, if you have been in the market for some time, you will find that trading on the H4 and above will yield better results for you with less work actually. So if you ask me what I would trade this on, H4 or daily charts. Okay. So now to summarize on the MT4 Breakout Box Indicator, this is again a breakout from the box strategy. It's a very simple box system, If it breaks out from the box, that's it. And we want to catch the price momentum that's usually driven by fear or greed. And once it breaks out from the box and it has some momentum, we also want to make sure we are always on the right side of the trend. And while everything may be pointing to a long trade, it is always good to always set tight stops, and this strategy has a tight stop element for you to follow. You can of course set your own stops manually, but if you do not know what to do, you can follow the color codes and just set your stop levels based on that. Okay, and if all this is to put as a simple strategy, it is to say that this is a trade with the trend strategy. You want to ride this with the wind behind you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit on this bell icon so that you will always be notified whenever there's a new video out. I would really appreciate if you can comment below, ask any questions, because I feel feedback is good. And of course, if you have anything that you want me to include for future videos, that will be great to suggest, because I'm sure that there's plenty of room for improvement. And of course, if there's any kind of indicators that you want me to cover, do comment below. And lastly, if you like more trade examples from this MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator, you just list the pairs below, and perhaps if I can find the time, I will find the time and make those videos for you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video on the MT4 Breakout Box Forex Indicator as much as I have enjoyed making it for you. This is William signing off from forexstrategieswork.com.